What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Viewers and subscribers, I have a question for you all today. Are you seeking a split level house that can generate income? Well, if your answer is yes, we have found it for you. This well-maintained detached three-story house has 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms and is currently priced at US 600,000 or Jamaican $94 million. The land area of this house is 19,687 square feet. The basement floor has a self-contained one-bedroom unit with facilities. The ground floor has a 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom with separate entrance and own utilities. The other floor has 3 large bedrooms, each with walk-in closets, ceiling fans, and AC units. Other features in the house includes granite countertops, ceramic and porcelain tiles, single-car garage, front and back patio, and there is also views of the Caribbean Sea. Now let's take a look at this beauty. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.